this is the oil control spray.
Small-minded people sure know how to trick.
Need it to be very sharp.
To the party.
So I just moisturized my lips using my very favorite K-Beauty lip essence by Toriden, and I also filled my brows. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen. You can call me K, and I do everything literally. It's sort of a no makeup. You're gonna have to watch to the end to see how it comes together. This is a look that you want to do when you're at home, just chilling, doing your house chores, watching Netflix, just being a mom, or something very light that you can wear as you head out. I actually wore it last week as I was heading out, and I actually loved it. So it's a look that you can wear to the mall, shopping, so that you are looking all put together. I'm going to just use the Maybelline Fit Me number 40 to clean up my eyebrow just a little bit, and I'm using an angled brush. I actually find it easier to fill in my right side, so my eyebrows might end up not looking very 100% uniform. Also, I find that on this side my hair is more sparse. I'll just bring it down to my eyelids just to act as my primer. I'm going to set my brows using the e.l.f. brow lift just to make them stay in place and give that look of like a laminated look. And because this is not a look that is very heavy, it's something very light, I'm going to use concealer that is in my skin tone just to hide a few dark spots and imperfections. And this is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue in the number 26. Go back in with the Maybelline, the one I used under my eye, and I'll put this on my T-zone just to highlight my face. I'll blend that in using a damp sponge. And I'll set using the Sacha Buttercup. I'll let that set as I do my brows, and I love this Morphe 35R palette. I always use this for looks that are not too much, but you can also use it for like a smoky eye. So I'm using like a tapered fluffy brush. And I'm going in with this color. It's quite light. I like it for my transition. This color right here. So I just tap it. Then for my lid, like this is gonna be too light. Let me just try it. Looks like it's gonna be too light. I'll just do my transition again just to blend everything in nicely. I'll just use a light shimmer, this one, and I'll use my finger to just give a slight hint of shimmer on my lid. Eyes have it. I'll then go in with my MAC foundation powder. It's the MAC Fix in the shade NC 44.5, and I'm just going to go all over my face as I set my face. The next thing I'll do is a little bit of contour, and I'm using the Cara Beauty Perfectly Defined. Go in with a little bit of blush. I'm using this palette from my makeup kit, and I think I'll go with these two colors. I think I'll mix a little bit of this and this. I'll tap a little bit of that. And then I like to just diffuse it a little bit on my hands. A little bit of the Maybelline blackest black eyeliner gel eyeliner. I'm just going to scoop a little bit into my pan, and then I'm using an applicator brush.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make it stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아, 'cause I got my collection.
And I'm going to do like a tight line using my Illegal glide liner. And how you do a tight line is you just close your eyes and let it glide in between you, the upper lash and lower lash. So you can do that, or you can actually do just the lower line like this, but I like to just hide that upper lash look, that flesh look, by tight lining. So you can also like just do the lower one like this, but I prefer to just close my eye. For mascara, I'm going in with the Rimmel's Candle Eyes Retro Glam, and this is my personal one, so I just use it direct on my eye. And I like how it really enhances my lashes. And the reason I'm just doing lashes is because for this look I don't do false lashes. So just look at that, looks nice, right? Then I do a little bit of the, before I do the under eye, I like to set my under eye using like a dark color. And I'll just I'll probably use the same one I used on my, actually I'm supposed to use the same one I used on my crease. A little bit of mascara on my lower lash. Then I'll just highlight my face a little bit using the Dose of Colors Gold is the New Black highlighter. A little bit of it like that. And then on the bridge of my nose. For my lips, I'm going to use the MAC Chestnut. I love this pencil. I use it so sparingly because I don't want it to finish. Let me know guys in the comment section, are you an overliner? Because I love to overline my lips. I think they give them like a very full natural look. For lip gloss, I'm going in with this ColourPop Ultra Glossy in the shade Major Throwback. And because this is from my kit, I'm just going to use it from my pan. Using with our lip wand, the disposable. It's a beautiful muted brown shade. Then I'm going to set using my MAC Fix Plus. that's the final look. So let me get rid of this thing in my head. This is a cutting of a pantyhose, the leg of a pantyhose. I just put it on my hairline just to hold my edges together. I didn't use any product there though. And my hair, at least it's clean, but it's not all presentable. I wanted to undo it, but on a normal day, this is how I'd be looking at home. So this is a home makeup look, a daily at home makeup look for all stay-at-home moms, working from home moms, stepping out moms, stepping out to the mom. Let me know if you like it, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your families, whoever really you think might want to see it. Is it your mother, your grandfather, grandmothers, or your brothers or your sisters? Anyone really. I will appreciate comments in the comment section. Please, if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you're always on the loop and you're not missing out on any upload. So let me know what you liked about this look, guys. Would you wear it? Would you even tell that there's no foundation? Like, I didn't have to do foundation on my face. It's very light, it's very realistic, if I may say so myself. And until next time, bye.